ti corona ni Apo la Virgen Milagrosa, ket isu ti gameng nga awan kaibatugan na. Reyna ti langit ken daga, isu ti reyna ti akin-amyanan nga Ilocos, ken patron ti probinsya tayo nga Ilocos Norte. Timet panakaisadsad na ti imahe na ti ili ni Abadok, ket isu ti nagbalin nga puon ti ragsak ni, ken natalina ay apanagbiag ni. Kan kanayon to nga rod, nga itantanok ni Apo la Virgen Milagrosa de Badok, akas reyna, ken ina ti mangisalakan, ken puon ti ragsak ni. Ket dinto agpatingga, nga ipuppukaw ti puspuso ni. Viva la Virgen!
Badok has always faced tough competition. While claiming a top spot will be a challenge, their townspeople are here in full force, not just for victory, but to celebrate their pride. Tonight, they bring a story of faith and resilience of Noel, a young sacristan whose prayers turned the tide against an invading force. With hearts full of belief, Badok takes the stage. Now, the spotlight is theirs.
We're telling a story that goes beyond tradition. It's emotional, gripping, and visually stunning. From the fear of the pirate attack to the power of faith saving a town, every moment will leave an impact. As the home of the La Virgen Milagrosa, Badok's story is not just about history. It's about the miracles that still inspire us.
Siak ni Noel. Noel's journey shows that those who truly believe will always find hope. Through powerful storytelling and heartfelt performance, will bring to life the courage and devotion of the people of Badok.
Pinagtitinnunos ken panagkaykaysa, tulbek itinatanok a Badok. Napudno a panagyaman, ruangan tinatalged a panagpapagayam.
Tengarut man tarumaan